To customize Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you have not already enabled Face ID, navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section and select it. Within the Security options, you will find the Face ID or biometric login option, depending on your device. Tap on this option to proceed. You will be prompted to allow Trust Wallet to use Face ID. Confirm that you want to enable this feature. Your device will then guide you through the process of scanning your face, which is used to secure your wallet. Once Face ID is enabled, you can test it by locking and unlocking the Trust Wallet app. If your device recognizes your face, the app will open without requiring a password or PIN. To customize your Face ID login further, return to the Security section in the Settings menu. Here, you can find options to reset your Face ID, or to require a password or PIN in addition to Face ID for added security. It is also a good idea to review the other security options available in the Settings menu, such as two-factor authentication and password protection, to ensure your wallet is as secure as possible. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Trust Wallet Face ID login, adding an extra layer of security and convenience to your cryptocurrency transactions. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and the funds it holds.